In this video, we're going to be replacing the radiator support cover in this 2015 Hyundai Sonata. Okay, to remove our top panel here, our radiator support cover, or our top trim bumper piece here, it's going to be a Phillips head screw and a couple of panel clips. Go ahead and rest your Phillips head screw on there, don't put any downward pressure, and back the screws out. Once you have them popped out about that far, go ahead and get under the head here with a panel tool and just pry them up. And continue moving across the front of the bumper. Sometimes they'll come up far enough for you to pull them out by hand. Sometimes they won't come up at all. Just go ahead and mix between the Phillips and the panel tool as needed. There are 5 or 6 Phillips head screws underneath here attaching it to the bumper. If you do not want to take your bumper off, you can raise this top support cover up so that you can access your Phillips screws underneath. We're going to do that. We're going to raise up both sides and put a small piece of 2x4 or something that you have that'll keep the support cover propped up while you work. It'll just free up a little bit of area for your hands to move. So with our 2x4 in the center, we can grab a side, just lift it up slightly to give us a little more room, and a Phillips screwdriver, we can start taking out our screws. Okay, so with this side lifted up, we can see we have a Phillips screw here. So what we're using here is just a few extensions to get our Phillips head screwdriver in there. If you have a long number 2 Phillips, you can use that as well. All right, and as we start to work, you'll have a little bit more room. Naturally, this will move. If you are going to do this, it does help to have a magnetic bit. This next one here is probably the toughest. It's behind your hood latch. If you need to go through the latch opening to get a better angle, you can. I think now we have a good angle straight from the top. We'll just continue along. Okay, so now at this point, if you still have your wood under there, you can go ahead and take it out, or your prop under there, take it out. And what you're going to do is push down on that trim piece and just work it out slowly. You will have to take it out around your hood latch. it is. To install your new radiator support cover, you're going to have to line up these tabs here that run all the way across the front with these tabs here. So the first thing we're going to do is angle in our new support cover and line up these tabs, and then we'll start working towards our Phillips screws. So get it into position. We'll have to pull up our bumper slightly and align these tabs. You're not going to be able to align them all. You just want to get generally close. All right, mainly what you're looking for are these tabs to be on top of this plastic. And we're going to start at one side and work our way around. All right, so now because this is curved, one side's going to stick out. So we're going to pick a side. I'm going to start on this side here, start installing our Phillips screws. So we're going to start on this side here. We're going to grab our bumper in the corner, just pull that tab up, as well as the support cover, and we're going to put in our Phillips screws. All right, and we can work over to our next one. All right, and our last screw will go right in the middle. Okay, now that our panel's got our Phillips screws in, we can start to put in our push clips. We're just going to make sure our holes align here. Put our clips back in. Press them down to lock in. We'll do that all the way across the bumper. Sometimes to get your clips in, you may have to put them through the first piece and spin gently till they line up in the bottom. And that's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.